Hey everybody, welcome to this unboxing video. Well, the long wait is over and I've finally received the copy of my cool camera SV405CC from Svbony. This was delivered today and I thought I would take you on the journey of unboxing with me. I'm very excited to get my hands on this camera. This is a cool color OSC camera and my hope is that this will replace my old hardy DSLR. Let's first talk about the box. Let me be straight, this box is hardy. I'm someone who pays extra attention to boxes because I have had damaged stuff delivered and it has been a pain. But this box looks solid and no doubt padded. Nothing is moving around, so well done to Svbony for packaging it well. Well, enough about the box. Let's open it up and see what we've got here. As you can see, there is bubble wrap around the main box, which is a good sign. This is the main box, so let's proceed to open this up now. Let me put it on the center so that you can see it clearly. Well, it's a nice looking box, really. Sorry, I must stop admiring boxes. Well, let's dig in to see what have you got. Please excuse my terrible unboxing skills. Aha, now, there are two boxes within this box. And no doubt, this is the box that has the camera. You can tell by the extra touch of bubble wrap. Let's pull that up. Oh, there is this little keychain that Svbony has sent me. How lovely. Let me put the box in its place. Let's open up the first box to see what we got in this. This must be the power adapter. Well, I live in Australia, so we have different plug heads than US or the UK. So I'm glad that Svbony has sent me the right plug. Now this is 12 watts and 5 amps, which is what you want. Now let's unwrap the most important piece of this box. Let's cut this open. Let's take this bubble wrap away. Well, this is the moment that I've been waiting for. Let's see. Now there are bibs and bobs that I will show you. I'll tell you what they are later. And there are lots of them. They have very important function. Let's just lay it out in orderly fashion for now. Now this is the USB 3.0, which will enable the computer and the camera to talk to one another. And then there is this little cloth that I presume you use if you have accidentally put fingerprints on your camera sensor. I'm not so sure. We've got this manual as well. But let me put the box away for now. Clean things up. The camera is in its little pouch. Let me open the zips to see the camera. And there we have it, SV405CC cooled color camera. It's reasonably small, but it feels good in hand. There's nothing else in the pouch, by the way. The pouch is nice and smooth, and I really love it. Really good quality. As you can see, the camera is nice looking. I love the color. Let me show you the sensor. Well, there it is. This uses IMX294 color CMOS sensor. It's beautiful. Let me show you its back. By the way, the manual tells you everything you need to know to begin using this camera. I usually don't read manuals, but this was quite helpful. It tells you how to connect with APT or Nina. Well, let me tell you what these are. Well, this is 1.25-inch T adapter. Then we have M42 male to M42 female. This is M42 male to M48 female. This is a T2 to 1.25-inch adapter. And finally, M42 to M48 ring. And this is the cloth that I was talking about before. The USB used to connect the camera, the power adapter, and of course the camera. Look, I am enchanted by this. At the back of the camera there are two spots where you can plug in the USB and the power adapter. I can't wait to use this in the field. I'll be posting a review of this once I get the chance. Feel free to ask questions that you would like me to answer in that review. Please subscribe so that you don't miss out on the upcoming review of this camera. If you have any comments or questions, please feel free to write them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.